All right, hey, what's up, guys? It's Roy here. So today I have this Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagFit case here for the iPhone 16. So this is the first case that will be installed on my wife's phone. Spigen was kind enough to send this out for review, so big thank you to them. But $19.99 is about what you're going to spend on this case on Amazon, so I'll be sure to link it down in the description. But yeah, let's get this bad boy out. So just pull the tab up and pull the case out. And let's get it out of the plastic here. And there it is. So a very clear case with the white MagSafe ring. So let's get the little protective film off. So there's one and then two. Voila. And there we go. So as you can see, it's a very crystal clear case. Got the white MagSafe ring there, like it says here, magnetic case for iPhone MagFit. Got a patent there, Spigen Inc. in Irvine, California. So let's get this bad boy put on. So I'm gonna grab her teal iPhone 16 here, and let's just slap it in. And that is it. So there is the case installed. And gotta say, looks really good with this teal color. You know, what's crazy is I actually really wanted to do ultramarine for her, but the more I started thinking about it, I just felt like the teal color was more her. And seeing the teal color more and more in person so far this first night of having it, I'm really liking it. So let me know down in the comments, what are your thoughts on this new color? Really digging it, especially with this white MagSafe ring. Like that white MagSafe ring looks really good there. It's got that perfect center for the Apple logo. So we'll be testing that strength here in a minute. And then for the camera bump, looks pretty dang good as well. So nice cutout there, nice circular cutout there for the flash as well. The lenses are nicely recessed in there, so we're getting some good lens protection there as well. On the sides here, we do have a very clear side. So you can see there, even like the antenna band there. But we got our power button. We have a nice little cutout there for the camera control button. So we'll test out that here in a little bit. And then two little holes there if you want to rock a lanyard. And then here down at the bottom, we have a nice cutout for the USB-C charging port and the speakers. And then on this side, we do have our volume up and down button and our action button. And then we got our Spigen branding right there as well. And then here at the top, nothing really going on, but you can kind of see that top-down view. It does say air cushion technology, which if you notice that little corner there, that little square, that's on all of the corners, and that's the really nice protection that the Spigen cases give you. So when you drop the phone, those act like little airbags to dissipate the energy away from the phone to help prevent a break. So that's huge. Now, looking at the front, you're going to see some nice lip action going around the screen here. So you're going to get some decent screen protection if you lay it face down on a surface. And then looking at it face on, very thin, looks good. Does have a tempered glass screen protector installed on this phone, but as you can see here, no interference at all. And I really like just the design and the look of it. It's very simple up here. So big thumbs up there. So now let's go ahead and do the wobble test real quick. So face down, no shaking going on at all. And back down, a little bit of some shaking going on. I was kind of hoping it wasn't going to be too wobbly because there are these like little extensions of feet down at the bottom of the corners. So is it crazy? No, but if you hit the desk hard enough, it will shake a little bit. So not too concerned about that. It's not terrible. So next, let's do the clicky button test. So let's start with the power button. So very responsive. Okay. And volume up and down. So the volume down button is much clickier than the top, but doesn't mean that it's not clicky. I can feel it. It's very responsive. And then the action button, pretty easy to use, so no issues at all there. And then last but not least, let's play around with that camera control button and see how easy it is to get to. So if I kind of just push it, that was pretty easy. It's such an awkward position. I just don't really get this thing. But the way they've done it, it's very easy to find. If I kind of hold my finger on there, zoom in and out, seems pretty easy, so no issues there. Gonna take a picture. So yeah, so Ease of access to the camera control is also thumbs up, so no issues at all there. So next, let's go ahead and test the MagSafe capabilities. Okay, so I got my MagSafe charger here, so let's slap it on. And as you can hear and see, MagSafe charging compatible, so no issues at all with that. And gotta say, the magnets are extremely strong. So if you have any kind of MagSafe accessories in your vehicle or on your desk, you're gonna be happy to know these magnets are very strong. I mean, it just finds it, and I have to put some force into actually releasing it from the actual case. So that's a huge plus. So there we have it, guys. There is the Ultra Hybrid with the MagFit capabilities here for MagSafe. So for the price, I think it's well worth it. It's a nice, clean, clear case. The only downside ever with clear cases is sometimes, one, you're going to see the smudging and stuff like that. Like if you already see in the reflections a little bit, there is a little bit of some smudging going on, but that's just to be expected with any clear case. It feels pretty grippy on the sides, so I like the gumminess of the sides here. The back could potentially be a little slippery depending on kind of like how dry your hands are, but once again, that's just kind of the norm with a clear case. So once again, not really gonna give it a bad review just because of that, because that's just kind of what clear cases are all about. So there we have it. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.